Attention home buyers, get ready to step inside your dream home at 19907 Northwest 67th Circle Court, located in unincorporated Miami-Dade County. While some outlets may list it as Hialeah, this home offers all the benefits of unincorporated Miami, including lower property taxes and more flexibility. Featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a versatile den that gives this home a 4-bedroom feel. This move-in ready property is perfect for families and professionals alike. Enjoy a brand new roof, accordion shutters for added security and insurance savings, freshly painted interiors, modern vinyl flooring, and a chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances and plenty of storage space. Step outside to a private backyard, perfect for gatherings, and take advantage of the community's lake and park for a truly serene living experience. With a newer AC and water heater, this home is ready for you to move in and start making memories. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact us today. We can't wait to welcome you home.